Hey everybody, this is a quick overview of the steel tumbler. And this thing happens to hold 12 ounces of your favorite beverage. As you can see there, it has a quite hilarious scripture on here. It says, "Don't mess with Grand Masaurus. You'll get your ass kicked." Get it? Get it? Pretty funny. This is just a close-up of the color. It's almost like a plum, and it has sort of a, not gold, but pewter trim ring right here. There's the bottom. It does come with a metal straw with its own straw cleaner. Very convenient. I actually didn't think it did that. And sealed top. There's a hole there to drink out of. Pretty nice. Hope this might answer any questions you have about this here tumbler. And we'll talk to you soon.